What's up, everybody? It's your boy Duplace here, and I'm back with some more reactions for you guys. So today we're checking out I built an entire gaming setup for $100. Before we get into it, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Socials are in the description, and with that said, let's get into it.
So it's Christmas. You wrote down your Christmas list. Gaming setup, gaming PC, gaming desk, gaming house, gaming. What does that even mean? And money for gaming. Santa Claus gives you
He meant gaming mouse.
a large box. Wow, look at this big box under my huge Christmas tree. Gotta be a PC, guys. Let's go.
We see the 100k plat, bro. We see the black. I'm trying to get like you, but we see the drip.
And it's another box. And in that box, it's another box. And in that box, $100 and no gaming. Whoa, come on, don't pull out the Glock. My parents are cooked. Because today I'm gonna be building an entire gaming setup for $100. For $100, I have to get a gaming system, a monitor, a headphone, and the keyboard and mouse.
It's amazing to me that their PS4 is under $100, but it also shouldn't be because it's released in 2013. It's gonna be a 13-year-old console this year, November.
All that for $100. I can barely buy food with that. First,
He's a PC gamer.
Facebook Marketplace, which is expected because for a $100 setup, you're gonna have to get used stuff. First thing I'm looking for is some type of console on Facebook. My goal is to either get a PS4 or Xbox One for $40 and spend $60 on everything else. All right, Facebook Marketplace. What I'm gonna be doing is looking for a PS4 or Xbox, but I've been looking and I think that PS4 might be the option because I can find PS4s for cheaper. So look at this one right here. It's 50.
It's crazy to me that they have those. I don't know if the me hitting the mic made a sound there. I was stretching the gummy bear, but it's amazing to me that they sell them for 50. I thought there would be at least 100. I don't expect them to be above 100 though. But one thing I've noticed is, let me go on eBay for example. The new 3DS XL is like $400. Okay, they were 400 the other day. Well, a lot of them are, but apparently you can get them for 200 plus. I don't think I'd buy this though. I ordered a Majora's Mask one I think it was 2 years ago, and I did not get it. But anyway, back on topic.
What the hell is that, bro? Why is it like curved in the back? Hey, it's $50. They don't come with no wires, no controllers. So I'm gonna ask this guy for $4. Can you do
cover plate is probably not aligned. Why it isn't fully covered down is beyond me. It's like people put the listings on the site. It's like they don't even care, bro. Like why not clean the console? Why does it have that stain on it? Clean the dust. Get an old toothbrush or cloth, some hand towels, some isopropyl, and clean the shit. Not literal shit, just the system itself, and close down the cover.
4 games, cords, console only. Ugh, this looks disgusting. But this comes with $50. But this comes with the games and everything. Oh, that looks so nasty. But okay, guys, it doesn't matter if it look nasty because we're trying to get a cheap console here. So we're gonna just get it and clean it. $40.
Yep.
PS4, PS5, 5TB HHD. What the hell?
The SSD itself, well, it says HDD. It's actually HDD. It's not HHD, but it looks like the outer white part of a PS5, like the outer shell.
I'm gonna say, what is this Temu ass PlayStation? It's just a hard drive. This dude is selling. It's not no damn PS4. This is such a fake. This is a fake. This is a fake. This is a fake. I know fakes when I know fakes. $40. Work does not come with cables or controllers, but has 2 games. I'm just gonna be like, are you still selling this? Madden 18. Yeah, we really want that game. We really want Madden 18. $60.
We see the Legion Go computer, bro. We see the gaming laptop.
Ooh, a gold one. What the hell? Just the game, no controllers, works great. $60. Hey, he's black. This guy's black. I'm not.
Also, bro, this is so pretty. I wonder if there's a PS4 golden shell for PS4. PS4 Pro. No, PS4. I have a Pro, but I have to see there's a PS4 one first. Okay, so they have that, but do they have a PS4 Pro? Gold edition. That is a skin, clearly. That's also a skin. I guess not. I guess it's only for the Slim. I guess I didn't do that when the Pro came out.
After waiting a little
Okay.
bit, I finally got a
Kind of
reply.
disappointing.
Someone DM me $40. I can do that. Oh, it makes my skin crawl how nasty it looks. He could have at least cleaned it, bro. Wait, needs new thermal paste on CPU.
I said this.
Said needs new.
Needs new thermal paste on CPU. That leads me to believe he's opened it before. And then, if you did open it, why didn't you put thermal paste on it? And then you know what that also means? It's probably overheating. So I wouldn't buy from that guy at all.
I'm not fixing a PlayStation. But then I got another reply. Can
Yeah,
you
same.
pick it up? Because everyone is asking, but no one is coming. Okay, I'll come. Wait, pause. Can I get the
Pause.
All right, it's time to get the console. Hopefully nobody kidnaps me. Nobody's kidnapping your big ass. What the hell? Who said that? I finally pulled up to get the console. It was by a Jack in the Box. I never had that day in my life. You already know about the Jack in the Box. The guy pulled up. Why was his shoes kind of drippy though? This is him? That's fire.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, I fuck with the shoes. But the pants kind of have like stains on them. That's not the focus. Why am I talking about this?
Bro, my connection was so bad and it took me so long to send the Cash App. I always end up in the most awkward situations, bro.
Just walk with cash too, in case.
My car's a mess, bro. Don't look at it. I'm not even gonna show you that because you're gonna cook me. I'm not letting you cook me. Also, I didn't try Jack in the Box. Mid burger for $9? Hell no. Anyways, we got a console for $40 and we have $60 left to get the headset, monitor, mouse, mousepad, keyboard, all for $60. Is that even possible? Time to hit up the Facebook Marketplace again. Back on Facebook Marketplace.
That's a nice ass
I
chair.
think if I can find a monitor for $30 or less, this would be huge. And I might not even have to get the rest of the stuff on Facebook Marketplace. I don't need that monitor. Ooh, he's selling this one for $20. Works perfectly fine. Why is it laying down like that? What the hell is this monitor? This thing is ancient. Works perfectly.
Yuck, LCD screen, but I mean at the price point, what could I really expect?
Fine. That thing does not work perfectly fine, my friend. I can tell you that much. $25 gaming monitor has a stand, works perfectly fine. Hey, all it says is gaming monitor for $25. I'll give you 20 for it. Acer monitor in McKinney. I don't know where this is, but I think McKinney is kind of far. Let me
50
check, 'cause
bucks.
If it's too far, I'm not going. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not going. Ooh, $20. I didn't test it at all. Got it from a friend. Seems like the LCD panel is a little broken, but try your luck. You want
A little broken, huh? A little broken. Let me go back real quick. This is an actual gaming. Well, obviously it says it in the title, but we know for certain that it's one because it has the ROG branding on it, Republic of Gamers, and we see the NVIDIA and the G-Sync, so we know it's legit. 240 hertz too. So, you know this is too good to be true for something like this, and it looks like it's in pretty good condition still. And I love the mechanisms for the mount, the stand. The Sour Patch Kids, but a little bit broken. I would think that thing is entirely broken because no way would you sell something this good for only $20. Even the original price of $40 was a steal for something like this. That's too good to be true. This is definitely broken, and I would not buy from this guy.
Seems like the LCD panel is a little broken, but try your luck. You want me to pay $20 to try my luck? Get your glass on. I ended up finding this guy who was selling 2 monitors. I asked him to do $20 for the 60 hertz one, and he said yes. He also showed me his location, and he was in the middle of the water. Am I getting a monitor from Aquaman? But while I wait for the guy to get off of work, I went on Amazon and looked for.
Right? Also, the fact that the city was Gun Barrel City. I feel like the guy's black just off of that.
And after scrolling for a while, I found a 4-in-1 bundle with a keyboard, mouse, headset, and a mouse pad on sale for $21. So you know I had to cop it. Right now we are at $61, leaving me with $39, and I'm going to get the monitor. It was like 8 p.m. and it was dark outside, so I didn't even record this interaction. But here's like an animation of how it went down. Hey man, you got the monitor? Yep, here it is. Okay man, here's the $20. Then he turned into a demigorgon and ate me. It's okay guys, I got rebooted by my mom. Anyways, we finally got everything. The price came up to $81, and now we put the setup together and hope I actually didn't get scammed.
Oh, we have money to spare. Okay.
As you can see, we got the stuff here and we got some cleaning supplies because, bro, look at the amount of dust on this. You probably can't see in the camera, but dang, bro, where'd they get this from? The Roman Empire? This is a
no, we can see.
I got for what? $20, I'm pretty sure. If this works, then it's a pretty good price, but there could be something wrong with it. I have not tested it yet. Bro had this monitor sitting here for ions. Bro was friends with Jesus when he had this monitor. I finished cleaning up.
Eons, not ions.
Monitor sitting here for ions.
Wait, go again? I didn't catch the last joke.
This monitor. I finished cleaning them and they look so much cleaner now. And I started to hook everything up. And lastly, I unboxed the 4-in-1 bundle, which I swear was too good of a price. It's like $50 now again. Oh my gosh. 4-in-1 gaming bundle. I just know this is gonna be trash. But I had $100, so you can't complain if you want to play video games with $100. $100. The keyboard.
Yeah, at that price point, you really can't
This is the
complain.
nastiest keyboard I ever felt in my life. I'm not complaining.
That's like those clicky office keyboards that you have to put a lot of force on to get the key down. I don't like those.
Hey, it feels like it could work though. It feels like it could work. Kind of long as hell. Like, why is it so long? Pause. Ooh, the mouse look cool. It looked like a
Pause.
It looked like a Ferrari.
We said it at the same time.
Ooh, the mouse doesn't feel bad. It has one of these. I knew it was gonna have like a back like this. I know these backs are usually really bad. We got the mouse pad. Wow, I'm actually surprised. Bro.
Big backs.
This mouse pad is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Pause.
Me when I'm the Hulk. This is actually a nice looking.
That wasn't a pause. I didn't need to say that.
We spent most of the money on the mouse pad. This is not bad looking.
Me when I'm the Hulk.
But it could have been smaller. And now it's
Yeah, that's huge.
To set up and pray the PlayStation and monitor works. All right, guys. Dang, I'm dark in this lighting. I mean, I'm dark in general, but god dang. All right, guys, it's time. I'm scared. Bro,
Midnight.
Literally, we got this for $40. I could have got scammed on both of these. What if I got scammed on both of these? All right, are you ready?
Unrelated, but I really do like the apartment life. The only issue I could see with the apartment life is me worrying if I'll be able to afford rent consistently. But he's a big time YouTuber. He has a couple 100,000. He's grinding. I feel like that would be the perfect spot for me in life. Being a YouTuber with like a couple 100,000 subs, getting like probably 5 figures every month, like 30K a month. I'm paying for my apartment, which is probably like 2,500 or something in that range, and I just have this bunch of money left. And I'm grinding and I'm growing and I'm getting sponsorships and it's just like peaceful, bro. Like, that's the ideal life for me. I'll work to the riches, but the baseline of just having that. But I mean, I guess you have to work to get to that level as well. So, yeah.
2, 1, click. Okay, it made the beep. It clicked. I got the HDMI connected, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, good sound. Good sound.
Oh, wait, I see stuff going on my monitor. Come on, please.
Need some cable management though.
Something came on the screen. It said checking the system storage status.
It's checking the hard drive.
Turn off the PS4.
Yep.
I have no idea what this means, and let's just hope that it gets past 25% because
I think this is what happens when the PS4 shuts down unexpectedly and they don't, and it wasn't turned off properly. So when you boot it up again, then it does the test to make sure that hard drives are corrupted. This happens to me every time my PS4 shuts off unexpectedly, which is because of the cable. My outlet is kind of loose with the extension cable I use. I need to get to one of those plugs. Those wall plug outlets. My brother has one around his room. I need to buy one.
pretty slow, huh? And for a long time, it was stuck at 25%. We're just gonna sit here and wait, guys. Just a glitch in the matrix, mayhaps. Still at 25%. I'm sure it's right.
Mayhaps.
I'm sure it's fine. Did I get a broken PS4? Wait a minute, guys, it's working. I thought I was cooked for a second. It's going up now. I've been waiting for a long time here. But eventually, it actually started working. Let's go, the PlayStation logo. Wait.
Nice. And it looks so good on that screen too.
I ran into a problem. The problem wasn't that my keyboard wasn't working. It's just that you can't log into PlayStation without a controller first. So I went on Amazon and found a really cheap wired controller for $20. So I could finally log in, making my total $101. But to be honest, I would recommend just getting a controller in the first place and not even buying the keyboard and mouse. Just get a controller and a headset, and the price will probably come up to like $80.
Yeah, that's probably a better move.
Fortnite, and it's time to see if Fortnite actually runs with.
So you're $1 over budget. But if you hadn't bought the keyboard, which was part of a bundle, so I get why you did it, just get all three at one price. But yeah, technically you still could have gotten it to less than 100.
And as I was gliding down in OG,
it's fine.
But this didn't look bad at all for a 12-year-old console. I'm not gonna lie. Only thing is, my keyboard and mouse input delay was a little bad. Like, I mean, I was getting some kills here and there. Come here, boy. Let's go. We got one, bro. You're not a push.
Juice WRLD skin, I like that.
Where's he going? Let's go!
He really was hiding in the corner. Wow.
Shoot it. No way, bro! But yeah, I'm still trash on keyboard and mouse with console. I even switched to the new Fortnite season to see if it performed better, and guys,
same, I'm rubbish too.
Or was I just fighting bots? So let's see what the game is like in the actual Chapter 6 season. Hey, buddy? Come on, kill him! Die! Let's go! Also, I don't know if you guys could tell, but the graphics was loading really slow. Like, watch and let me know if this is normal. Come on in. I got that thing waiting for you. Slide. Oh, Bro is healing mid-fight. What the hell? What the hell was that? Realistically, how can I kill him if he's always healing? Big brain. What? I gotta be lagging. I
do love the snow environments. I really do.
I'm lagging or this dude's John Cena himself.
Also, I'm pretty sure Fortnite runs at 60 on PS4.
Oh my
The
god!
Fortnite isn't super intensive, so... But it has gotten more intensive with the Unreal Engine 5 conversion, but...
I got lucky.
Yeah, it runs flawless on my Pro.
Everything was going good until I ran into the LeBron James of Fortnite.
LeBron James.
Oh my!
Which I'm assuming is this guy.
Oh my, I'm dead. Oh my! You can have fun on this $100 thing. It wasn't
That's
bad.
nasty word, man. This $100 thing. Okay.
It doesn't count. But for $100, this setup is actually really good. I would recommend getting a controller though, and not.
This is somebody's dream setup. It really is. I'm watching this next, by the way.
This video, please, my good man. Subscribe and watch this video right here.
Alright, so that's it. Ignore those suggested videos. I'm gonna be checking that out next. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed and see y'all in the next one. Goodbye. I don't know why I did the snap fingers thing. It's really corny.